Okay, the quantum mechanical barrier theorem is the expectation value of summation I qi dv hat over dqi equal to 2 times the expectation value of p hat. Expectation value of summation I qi or q sub I dv hat over dqi or sub I equal to 2 times expectation value of t hat. Option B, minus I escort summation qi d over dqi. Option C, integration psi star s hat a hat psi squared equal to 0. Option D, s hat psi equal to e psi. The quantum mechanical virial theorem relates the average kinetic energy T hat of stable system to the average gradient of the potential energy we had. Quantum mechanical virial theorem relates the average kinetic energy T hat of the stable system to the average gradient potential energy we had. For stationary state, the theorem is mathematically expressed as the expectation value of summation I, qi or sub I, dv hat over dqi or sub I equal to 2 times expectation of t hat, where qi represents the position coordinates, qi and dv is the partial derivatives of the potential energy with respect to the coordinates. T hat is the expectation value of the kinetic energy operator, dqi or dava qi, dava v hat. Special case power law potential, if the potential energy is the homogeneous function of dv and v proportional Rn, the relation simplifies significantly to t equal to nb. For harmonic oscillator n equal to t, expectation value of t equal to expectation value of b. For electrostatic Coulombic system n equal to -1, for the hydrogen atoms, 2 times expectation of t equal to minus expectation value of b. The quantum mechanical barrier theorem is the correct option is the option A. Expectation value of summation I q sub I dv hat over dqi or sub I equal to 2 times expectation value of t hat. In case of option B is the momentum operator in coordinate space. Option C is the commutator expectation value or Arrhenius theorem or Arrhenius theorem or commutator expectation value. Option C. But option D is the time independent Schrodinger equation. So the correct option is the option A. The quantum mechanical barrier theorem is the option A. The expectation summation I qi dv hat over dqi equal to 2 times expectation of t hat. That is the kinetic energy